Hi everyone, so I've come home and I've decided to make myself some Jamaican satay soup. Although it's Tuesday today, but it's so cold and you know it's snowy, and I thought, right, I'm going home from work to make some satay soup. So I've got some bones that's left over from my mutton, and I've really pressure cooked that with my pumpkin and my carrots and a bit of garlic. And then once that's cooked, I've peeled my yam and my Irish potato and my sweet potato, and I've added them in the pot. So now I'll just leave it to cook a bit. And guess what? I'll come back when I've added the rest of the ingredients and show you what to do. In a little while, I will be adding my my pot noodle. Yeah, I'll be adding my pot noodle in a little while, and my thyme and my other stuff. So as soon as I put them in, I'll come back and show you. Hi everyone, I'm back again just to show you my pot. It's bubbling away, as we would say back in Jamaica. Dumplings are in. You know, everything's going grand. I'm just going to show you little bits here. Right, while I show you that, I'm going to tell you a bit about these little things here. I'm going to tip my noodle in because I love to put my noodle in and allow it to cook a bit. So there, I've put my noodle in and I'll just stir it because I like to allow it to cook really well. Right, while that's doing that, I've now decided that I'm going to put some gungo peas in. And yes, I'm going all out for Jamaican food today. I've drained the water off because I don't want the water in my soup, it might be salty. So I'm just going to go ahead and tip the gungo in there. See, it's all empty, it's all in there. Then I put that in the recycling bin. I'll stir that a little bit. See, gungo's all in there. Looking nice. Ooh. Right. So here now, I like a well-seasoned food. You can tell I'm Caribbean through and through. Here I've also got some all-purpose season and some garlic granules. I'm going to tip that in the pot as well and let that just stay there and cook around a bit because I like good flavour in my food. I love food with lots of flavour. Right, now then, I'll tell you about this bit. I've got thyme, onions and the good old Scotch bonnet. Yes, one old Scotch bonnet will be jumping in this pot of soup. I use onions because I don't have scallion like back home in Jamaica. So I'm using onion instead of, I don't like spring onion here because I find it gives my food a funny taste. So I substitute scallion like we would do back in Jamaica for onion. So I've chopped the onion up and I've got my fresh thyme and I've got my Scotch bonnet. So guess what? It's all going in the pot and then I'm going to leave it all to cook away. Ta-da! So now that's all in there, I'm going to leave that for a bit just to cook away, and cook away. I might add a little bit of black pepper in it. When I hang up from here, I'll just go through and make sure everything's stirred properly. But I'm just showing you what it looks like. So everything's in there, all my ingredients. So now I'm just gonna leave it to simmer. It's on its final stage to simmer away. And yes, I use a green Scotch bonnet because green Scotch bonnet gives lovely flavour to your food. It gives the best flavour to your food, even to your rice and peas. Drop a green Scotch bonnet in it and just smell that aroma. So here you go.